Hi Year 9. So this is your geography lesson for the week commencing the 11th of May, okay? So we're going to go through the PowerPoint. I'm going to sort of make some notes as we go through, and then you've got a worksheet to have a go at, okay? So dates, whatever date you do this work, you keep it all together with all your geography notes. Title of climate change, please. So we are pretty much at the end of this natural hazards topic, so I just thought I'd link it to the spec for you. So today we're going to be looking at evidence for climate change, sort of looking at the beginning of the Quaternary period to the present day. Next week's lesson we'll be looking at causes of climate change, and then we'll go on to management, probably will be the third lesson, and that's this sort of climate change bit all done. Okay, so first of all, some definitions to get you started, some definitions of weather and climate. I'm sure we all know those, but they're worthwhile getting down in your book, okay? So you need to get these definitions down, please. I'll carry on. You can always pause it there whilst you're writing on YouTube. So next lot of notes to get down, please, is what is the Quaternary period as subtitle. Underline this, and then we've got some notes for you to get down with this. So the Quaternary period began about 2.6 million years ago. So it's the sort of latest period in the Earth's history. So remember, Earth is 4.6 billion years old. So it's only quite a small segment of the Earth's history. So within the Quaternary period, we've had sort of like times of cooling. So they're what we call ice ages. I'm sure we've all seen the film. And then in between those ice ages, when the ice begins to thaw out, we have warmer periods, which are known as interglacial periods. So during the ice ages and during this Quaternary period is when quite a lot of mammals have evolved, mainly humans, and also when quite a lot of mammals became extinct. So like mammoths, things like that, okay? And this is mainly because of climate change throughout this period, and obviously hunting as well. So I've got some keywords for you to mix and match here, okay? You should be able to get these all done, but I've got the arrows for you as well. So if we have a quick look. So ice age, an extended period of time when it is cold. Quaternary is the last 2.6 million years of geological time. Glacial period, a cold period of time lasting between 80,000 and 100,000 years. And then the interglacial period is a warm period of time lasting between 10,000 and 15,000 years. So they're a lot shorter between our ice ages. Okay, so a bit of an exam sort of question here for you to have a go at. You can always print this out if you want, or you can make a copy of it in your book, or if you just want to have a go at the question, that's fine. So your question is, describe the variations in temperature. 3 marks. So you want to be thinking T here, okay? Trend, example, anomaly. So make sure you get the question wrote out. You can always bugs the question and then get T there to get some ideas. So you're looking at a sentence each for T, E, and A. Bit of a mark scheme here, or to help out those people who are a little bit unsure. Okay, so trend, you could have overall it's increased. Example, any correct use of the data. So say when it's done between different time periods of 20 years. Any anomaly, so fluctuations, the fact it's always changing, going up and down, and again quoting the years which you're talking about, so using the figure. Okay, so this next bit then is over to you. So what you guys are going to do, okay? It involves 2 sheets which I will upload on Show My Homework as Word documents. So you can always print those off or use them, or you can always get the notes down on your pieces of paper, whatever works best for you, okay? So this is your information sheet, okay? So it's looking at evidence for climate change. So it looks at some different sort of evidence that we've had sort of throughout Earth's history that we've looked at, that is evidence that climate change is happening, okay? And the worksheet for you to fill out is this one, okay? So for each of those examples, you then have a box on your worksheet and some like little questions as well, which are answered within the information. You can search online and get some sort of other, extra information if you want, if it's not too clear for you, that's fine. But just this sheet or this within your book as a full piece of A4 or on your paper, whatever you're using, looking at each of these different evidences of climate change, please. Okay, picture of that uploaded onto Show My Homework, and there's going to be sort of a little short quiz as well to go along with this, probably about 10 questions. Okay, finally then is a bit of an extension, so worth a watch. David Attenborough looking at climate change, the facts. Okay, really worthwhile. You have to sort of sign into iPlayer, which I'm sure you can all manage to do, but definitely worth a watch whilst you've got the time. And finally, if you haven't already, please can you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, this video is on there. I want you to be able to sort of access all the Year 9 work, so subscribing onto this is really good. And recently set up this week is our Instagram, so please can you go online, follow our Instagram. We're going to be sharing some sort of model examples of great work that we've had in, and any other bits and bobs on there. Okay, so if you could follow that and subscribe on YouTube. Hope you're all staying safe. Hopefully see you soon.